Hey guys, Simon, Street Sound Vision in Keilor Park. Going to give you a quick rundown on all the modifications we've done to this 79 series behind us. So we've got a bunch of internal and external modifications that we've done. So pretty sure you're going to love it. Let's just give you a quick rundown on everything. Then we go inside. Firstly, we did clear view mirrors, so full power fold. They also have puddle light and clearance lights, as well as indicators as well. So how this works, basically when you lock the car, the mirrors will close. Once you come back to the car, you unlock it. Okay, so once you open the doors, we've got the puddle lights on the mirrors, which turn on to give you some light externally on the car. Once you turn the ignition on, the power fold mirrors will then flip back out, so they're ready to go. What we also did with this vehicle is we also hooked up the clearance lights. So once you are driving up the car in reverse, you get clearance lights on both mirrors. See there? So this one's had the full package. So basically we've got a full SSV sound deadening package, which we do for the 79 series, which includes sound deadening to all 4 doors. So we do inside the door, we do outside the door, we do the roof skin, we do the floor. On the floor we do something a little bit special. So we do 1 layer of sound deadening, and then we do another layer on top which has some acoustic foam and everything on there, and that makes these really nice and quiet. We also deaden the back panel as well behind the rear seat. That really helps with road noise. Okay, so we also did a T-shaped roof console in this one, as you can see. This is a bit of a custom roof console, so we've also added in a gang of switches along the roof there. That's for later modifications that he's planning on doing, extra accessories and that sort of thing. Okay, so with the speakers, we've got door pods here. So what we do with these is basically we take off your original mat pocket, it then goes onto the outside of the pod, and then we can mount some nice speakers in there. These cars generally come with a little 4-inch speaker in the dash, so not really designed for very good audio. So if you do want something that's going to sound really nice, then your door pods are the way to go. We also do a little tweeter provision panel that sits inside here, and that houses the tweeter nice and neat, so you don't have to cut any holes. Under the bonnet, we've got the Red Arc dual battery isolator with a dual battery system. So we've got a nice big AGM battery up there, and the BC-DC down the front here, that's 1250. We've also got a fuse panel and relay block that we've custom made. So all the accessories and everything all run from this. Everything's fused individually, relays and everything for all of that. So try and keep it nice and neat. We can customize anything like this to suit any vehicle. It doesn't really matter how many modifications or anything you want to do. We can always custom make something to suit. Installed floor console in this, as you can see. So a nice big armrest. You get cup holders, coin tray. We've got some switches in here for his accessories. So he's got, on top of the roof, we did a right side work light and a left side work light, and we also did some rock lights. So this one will control right side, rock lights, and then left side work lights. So if you just have a quick look outside, you can see the lights up there on the roof rack. Okay, so behind the rear seat here, we've got the custom sub enclosure, which houses an Audison 10-inch driver with a grille. We've also got the Alpine X Series 5-channel. That's controlling the whole sound system. What we also have in here, we have a camera upgrade. So we've added an Alpine camera onto the factory screen. So as soon as you put in reverse, you see the camera will come up